Hello everyone, welcome to Master Rover. In Year 5, Lesson 4, Chapter 6, we will do some practices about area of a trapezoid. Practice 1. Please calculate the area of this trapezoid. Top side, 9 centimeters. Bottom side, 13 centimeters. Height, 4 centimeters. So area of this trapezoid equals to 1/2 times the sum of top side and bottom side, and then times the height. Then we can get 1/2 times 22 times 4. 1/2 of 4 is 2 times 22, finally equals to 44 square centimeters. Practice 2. Please calculate the area of triangle ABC. The whole figure is a trapezoid, AEDB. This trapezoid contains a triangle ABC and a square AEDC. Why is that? For AEDC, adjacent sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Meanwhile, vertex is 90 degrees. So AEDC is a square, which means the height of this trapezoid is 5, and the length of CD is 5. And because the total length of BD is 10, we can tell BC is 5. Beautiful. So for triangle ABC, area equals to 1/2 times a base, and then times the height on this base. Then we can get 1/2 times 25. Alright, 25 divided by 2. Let's have a try. 1 times 2 equals to 2. And then we still have 5. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. We need to add a decimal point and a 0 on 10th position. 1 on 1-digit position equals to 10 on 10th position. Please do not forget the decimal point of quotient. Now, on 10th position, 5 times 2 equals to 10. Nice. 10 minus 10, that's 0. So, 1/2 of 25 equals to 12.5. And that's the area of triangle ABC. Thank you for all your hard work. That's all for Chapter 6. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. See you.